Today we're going to be showing you how to use a KW1 Lishi 2-in-1 pick. This is for quickset locks, 5-pin quickset locks. You have your tensioner, your slide, the numbers on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the actual spaces down the key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as it goes down the key. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the side is the actual depths of the cuts that are down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the key. So 1, if it landed here, it would be a number 5. Number 2, if it landed here, it would be number 3, and so forth. That's how we would decode the lock. So this is meant to actually pick the lock, gain entry, and also decode the lock. So you could gain entry, decode this lock, make a key to these cuts, these depths, and never would have to remove this lock off the door. In this case, we have a brand new lock here. We did not have to remove it from the door. Also, this is a brand new lock, so the pins inside have been lubricated from the factory and move up and down very freely and very well. If you're working on an old lock, you might not be a bad idea to spray some dry lubricant inside the lock and make sure the pins are moving up and down freely. Let's see if we can get this thing picked. So we want to make sure our slide is pulled all the way back and also up a little bit, so our end of the slide is not sticking up. Let's make sure it's up. And then we're going to slide it all the way in just like we would a key. And then we're going to try to get this picked. I'm going to turn it to the left. And also another thing, I'm doing this in my hand. It is actually, for me, it is actually easier to do on the door. But in this case, we're going to do it in our hand, which is very possible. So let's go to number 1. Biggest thing too, guys, is the tension is what's really going to matter. The more you practice at this, the better you're going to get at it, and you're going to realize how much tension you need. Sometimes you're going to need to put a little more tension. Sometimes you're going to have to back off tension. So let's see what we can do. I'm holding my standard tension that I feel is normal, necessary. There's number 1. Here's number 2. Number 3 is real hard to push, so I'm probably gonna have to back off just a touch. Yeah, I had to back off, take a little bit of tension off to try to get number 3 picked. Number 4, if you notice there, it's already springy, so that means that it's gonna be a tall pick. It's probably gonna be tall pin. It's probably gonna be a number 5 or number 6, so we're not gonna press that anymore. Let's go to number 5. Same way, it was pretty hard like number 3. I'm gonna have to back off a little tension, and then it picks and turns over. So that's a perfect instance where I had to change the tension just to get the lock to pick. So now let's decode the lock. Just like I explained at the beginning, we're gonna go to number 1. We're gonna push down to where it stops. It stops at a number 1. Do not put extra tension and try to push it down hard. Wherever it lands, that's the cut of the key. So that is for a number 1 space, it is a number 1 cut. Let's go to number 2. Wherever it lands on a number 4. So number 2 cut is a number 4 depth. Number 3 space is a 3 depth. Let's go to number 4. That's the one you remember, guys, that was right at the top, so it's probably going to be a number 6, which it is. So number 4 space is a number 6 depth. Let's go to number 5. We had to push it down pretty far, so it's probably going to be a 1 or a 2. See, touch it easy. It goes down to a number 2. So the cuts on this key is a 1, 4, 3, 6, 2. Now what we could do is we could remove our Lishi pick. We could go to our key cutting machine. We could cut as a 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, put it in this lock, and this lock would be operational. And what is so cool about these Lishi picks is we would have never had to take this lock off the door. So we are not going to rekey this lock today. We have a couple videos on our channel showing how to rekey quickset lock like this. So we're not going to do that. If you want to watch them videos, that would be great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.